I guess a couple weeks ago, I got a call from my SOC. They're monitoring my network all the time, and they gave me a call that there's someone on your network they thought that was in my one of my accounts that wasn't used. So they called me up. I told them to quarantine everything. They quarantined the server. It was used for heating and cooling, so it wasn't affecting too much. Next day, I come in and look at a lot of the logs. We looked at all the logs. We didn't see anything that was going lateral. It was just basically internal to that server. So what we did after that is saw that it was actually affecting my backup software. What it was actually doing is that at the end of the script of the backup software, it did a report, and that was one of my accounts that it pulled up. So it was an easy fix. I just had to get rid of the profile of that account. No harm, no foul on the server, put the server back online, and we were fine. One of the biggest things that was beneficial to me was the SOC called me up and let me know that there was suspicious activity within my network, and I could just quarantine it within minutes. And then next day I didn't have to worry about it. Next day I could go in and resolve the issue, which luckily for me, it was a false positive. I didn't have to really deal with much of that.